This is a valve service video for the General Pump model HTS 2215S. The tools needed for this repair are a ratchet, a 30mm socket, a needle nose pliers, a pick, a round head tool, and a torque wrench. The inlet and outlet valves are comprised of the same components. To service a valve, use a ratchet with a 30mm socket to remove a valve cap. Use a needle nose pliers to remove a valve from the manifold. Use a pick to remove the O-ring and the anti-extrusion ring from the manifold. Use a round head tool to inspect the manifold at the valve mating surface for stepping, washout, cracks, or damage. Insert the round head tool into the valve between the poppet and the cage to remove the cage, the valve spring, and the poppet from the seat. Inspect all parts and replace as necessary. With the necessary parts replaced, place the poppet onto the seat, the spring onto the poppet, and the cage onto the seat, snapping the cage into place. Insert the anti-extrusion ring, the O-ring, and the valve into the manifold. Use a needle nose pliers to properly seat the valve into place. Inspect the valve cap O-ring for damage and replace if necessary. Thread the valve cap and hand tighten. Use a torque wrench with a 30mm socket to tighten to the proper specs.